Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Flare Minds. I am Roshali Walia and yes, I am back with a super interesting video. Hope this video gonna help you this winters to have great and thick eyelashes. So this video is all about how to grow thick and great eyelashes. So without wasting any much time, let's begin.
So the first step you need to follow is to have a container, a cute mini container, and then 1 tablespoon of castor oil and just pour into that. And now you need to have 1.5 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and same pour into that. And then you need to have Evion, which is also known as vitamin E capsule, and then mix it well. Now after some time it will look like this, and now you need to have a clean mascara brush. Apply it on your eyelashes in the upward direction and same in the below direction. Now moving to another eye, use well to have good results. Use it at least 1 month to have better results. You can also use it on your eyebrows to have thick and great hair growth. And this way you'll get into that.
So this is all about today's video. Do subscribe my channel, share the videos, and if you have any kind of inquiry, do comment in the comment section box. And most important thing, share my videos and do support my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye. I will be back with super interesting video very soon.